Hi guys, this is the Recreation YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make a artificial rock for an aquarium. This is I'm going to do with the use of freeform and cement. This is the rock, the final product. So I'm going to explain all the steps one by one. So be with the video. If you are not a subscriber of my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notifications about my new videos. Regiform seeds. Cut the regiform seeds as per your required design. This is the base of the rock I'm making. I use nails to connect the regiform pieces together. You can use glue also. The regiform rock is ready, the basic structure. Now I'm going to apply cement, liquid cement on the regiform. This is the cement mix, only cement and water and black color coloring. That's mean black color cement and gray color cement I have mixed to get the required color with water. Then I applied on the ridge form rock. using a brush. You have to cover entire ridgeform rock with use of cement liquid. After apply the cement, keep it for 2-3 days to dry, then it will solidify. Now this is after 3 days. Now I'm going to do the base of the rock. The density of this rock is so far not enough to sink in the water. It will float, but after I make the base of the rock, it will sink in the water. I use some nails to connect the base to the rock. That is also a cement base. Now it is ready, I can do the cement base. These nails will make a strong bond with the cement base. This is the mixture for the base, sand and cement, gray color cement. I want to get a little bit black color, so I mix black color cement also for the mix, and the water. This is the mix. Cement base is ready. Now I'm going to keep the already prepared rock on the cement base. To connect the rock with the cement base, it is better to use some kind of metal parts. I have used nails for this. Keep the rock to dry for a few days. This is after 4 days. Now it is completely solidified. It is very heavy also. Now it will sink in the water. You can see base and the top part of the rock. Now it's bonded properly. Now it's a completely a single unit. This method is very useful when you do a aquarium because you can make any kind of rock, cement rock, and you can give a natural finish to the rock. It will look like a natural rock. If you want, you can apply some spray paint on also on this. Thank you very much for watching. We will meet again with a new video. Thank you very much.